Opponents of military rule in Myanmar inscribed messages of protest on Easter eggs today, while others were back on the streets facing off with security forces after a night of candlelit vigils for hundreds killed since a February 1st coup. Reuters said in the latest series of impromptu shows of defiance, messages including "We must win," "Spring Revolution," and "Get out MAH" were seen on eggs in photographs on social media. A Myanmar military outpost at Namphalong near Moree Gate No. 1 along Indo-Myanmar border pillar No. 78 was found torched by unknown people last night. The incident took place around 8 p.m. as per a report. Namphalong falls under Myanmar sector of the international boundary. As many as 93,249 more people tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 24 hours as the second wave of infection rages across the country, said the Union Health Ministry today. As per a media report, with this, the cumulative caseload in India has reached 1,24,85,509. The country had last seen over 93,000 cases on 18th September last year. There are 6,91,597 active cases in the country currently. Churches across Noni district today celebrated the Easter Sunday. Easter is a Christian festival which celebrates the resurrection of Lord Jesus Christ. All churches, including Longmai churches, celebrated the day since early morning. Special church services, music, candlelight, flowers, and ringing of church bells were the main highlights of the celebrations. 50 villages of Lamlai constituency will take pledge in support of war on drugs on April 11th. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, Lamlai Mapari Thokal Loop Secretary Laishram Bobisana said that the loop will take pledge in support of the war on drugs after holding a series of meetings with as many as 50 villages of the constituency on April 11th. An anti-rabies vaccination program was held at the Ibutho Pangalba Community Hall of Kundrakpam Awang Lekai in Imphal East today. Dog Protection Society Manipur, in association with the State Veterinary Department, organized the program. A one-day voluntary blood donation camp was held today at the Library Hall of Youth Development Association TYDA, Tobul in Bishnupur district to mark the 24th Foundation Day of TYDA. Our correspondent reports that the blood donation camp was jointly organized by Red Ribbon Club of TYDA, Jainim's Blood Bank, Lulaso Ngaikong Sipai, RAWCEDS Bishnupur 7, NYK Bishnupur, IRCA Bishnupur District Branch, NYC Ngaikong Kangleipak Yaifa Tengpang Thomi, and GCH Khoijuman. As many as 14 bodies of security personnel were found today from the site of the gunfight that broke out between security forces and Maoists in Chhattisgarh's Bastar region. According to media reports, 5 soldiers were confirmed dead and 30 others were injured yesterday, while 21 soldiers were reported missing. Today's count took the toll to 19, reports added.